I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to transfer your balance from an old Vodafone SIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before transferring your balance, ensure that both the old and new SIMs are active and registered under your name. Step 2. Dial the transfer code. Using your old SIM, dial the balance transfer code, which is usually *123*4* command *number hash. Replace amount with the balance you want to transfer and number with the recipient's number. Step 3. Confirm the transfer. After dialing the code, you will receive a confirmation prompt. Make sure to confirm the transfer by following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Check transfer status. Once confirmed, you can check the status of your transfer by dialing *123# on your old SIM. This will show you if the transfer was successful. Step 5. Verify balance on new SIM. Finally, switch to your new SIM and check the balance to ensure the transfer was successful. You can do this by dialing *100#. If you run into any issues, sometimes the transfer might fail if the balance is too low, so make sure you have enough to transfer. Good luck, and I hope this helps you smoothly transfer your balance.